welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to do my Boxycharm / Ipsy unboxing. I don't even know what to call it anymore. Let's go ahead and get right into this. I do know how much it's going to be worth. I'm actually going to put right now what my box variation is worth right now, because they don't give you the cards anymore, but they do tell you. I realize after you click everything that you want, it does tell you how much it's worth. So let's go ahead and take this out. So the first thing I got is this thing right here, which I'm excited about. It's by VITC, and it is a brightening cleanser, bright and renew. So it's this stuff right here, which I needed a new face cleaner, so I'm super excited about this. I see it feels like today's actually my birthday, and it feels like I got a big old birthday present. This is actually a really great gift idea as well. Next thing that I got is this right here, which I love, and it is a smoothing hair treatment. So it's a hair mask. So I'm excited to try this. I love trying new hair care stuff. I'm always toning my hair and everything. It's actually not bad considering how much I bleach it, which I did add more dark because I wanted to kind of cut back on as much damage as I get. But considering how damaged my hair is, I can actually make it look really nice, which is nice. Next thing that I got is this right here, and this is lip cream kit, the Beauty Crop. It's this right here. I'm not really a big fan of the color. On their site, it looked like it was going to be a more of a nudish color, but this looks like it's really pink. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on in this video after I get through some of these other products, but this is what it looks like. So I will be trying this out, but I don't think I'm gonna be a really big fan of it. The next thing that I got is this right here, and this is a bold lip color stick, and I got the shade Rose Nude or Divina. I don't know if that's the name or if that's the color. We'll see. Let me see. Divina, I think that's how you would say that. That's the shade that I got. Ooh, now this, I don't know, they kind of look the same, and it's stuck. It was stuck. Yeah, I'm not really big on the pinkish shades, so we will see. So that's that. We'll check it out. And the last thing that I got in the box is this right here. And this is by Origins, and it's a Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask. I really do like this brand, and I really do like face masks, so I will be using this. I actually probably can do this tonight before bed. I like to do masks and stuff, but really good product. So overall, I'd say I like everything. The only thing I'm not big on is these lip colors. I think if they chose something a little more nude, that would have been nice. And then of course it comes with this right here that usually does have some of the products in here, and the price, this one has none from what I can tell. None of the stuff I got. It doesn't look like it, but it just has a little few things in it and tells about it. I honestly never really look at that. I just get the products. That's all I want it for. But let's go ahead and try this lip color out because I want to see what it looks like. I don't think I'm going to be a fan though. I just don't think so. Oh yeah, I forgot I turned off my light to put on this light. So let's go ahead and open it up and try it out. Okay. So I do like that it did come with the lip liner and everything. I'm gonna wipe off my lips. So this is what it looks like. It's one that you have to sharpen. It's actually really creamy. See, I don't think this is gonna look good. guess we'll see. Okay, so that's what the liner looks like. And this is a hydrating liquid lipstick. So hopefully it doesn't dry matte because it says hydrating, but it feels matte. See, I'm getting it all over my teeth. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think it's a nice color? I'm just not used to seeing me. I mean, I used to wear dark lips all the time, but now I'm just like really nude. And so I think that's why I don't like them anymore. So it does feel like it's going to dry down. Although it says hydrating. It feels really dry. Like it feels like it's going to get really dry. So it does say hydrating, but I don't think that it's going to be hydrating. It's making my lips look really dry. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I keep it or should I give it away? So that's the lip color. I guess I'm gonna leave it on since I already have it on. I'm not gonna take it off. But yeah, like I said, I liked everything. The only thing I'm not sure on is these lip colors. And this, as you can see, it's kind of like the same tone. It's just a little more like pinkish than this, but pretty much the same tones they gave. But I thought like on the pictures, it did look like more like of a nude tone. Kind of like that terracotta pot back there, kind of look more like that on the pictures, so I wasn't expecting this, but nonetheless, I'll probably wear them every now and then. If I don't, then I'll probably just give them away. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.